How to fix Telegram voice call problems. Having trouble making voice calls on Telegram? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if that's an issue. Then go to Telegram settings and tap on privacy and security. Here, tap on voice calls and make sure it's not restricted to nobody or my contacts if needed. Also, check your device's microphone permissions. On desktop, go to your system settings and make sure Telegram is allowed to access your mic. If your calls still drop or don't connect, try restarting the app and logging in again. Use headphones to reduce interference and echo during calls. Are your voice calls still not working? Let me know in the comments below. And now you are ready to make crystal clear Telegram calls again. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.